Hey y'all, Fozzie here in front of Old Fort Nisqually in Point Defiance down in Tacoma. Today we're checking out Deadly Motorcycle Ride number 6, the Sunset Run. This one starts out in Federal Way up by Dash Point, kind of follows the water all the way along through the Port of Tacoma, out of Highway 705, down Ruston Way, all the way down here to Point Defiance. It's pretty short, it's about 30 miles. It's definitely the most urban of the rides on the list. You'll see a lot of traffic down here, a lot of people jogging, biking, tourists who don't know where they're going, so that part makes it pretty dangerous. It is a very scenic ride. It's a great place if you're looking for a quickie out of Seattle or Tacoma or the east side somewhere, and a nice place to have lunch. It is a fun ride. Nothing you're going to whiz through or haul ass. It's way too much traffic, way too many people. This one you bring your patience with. But it's beautiful. I highly recommend it. And if you get a chance, come out and see it. Right now, let's check this ride out.